Hi guys, welcome to Gardening with Friends. Today let's talk about Encore Azaleas. I love azaleas, but I have problem with them. They only bloom for a very short period of time. And to solve this problem, hybridizers have been working on selection of azaleas for over 15 years, and they came up with beautiful selection of multiple varieties of Encore Azaleas. What sets Encore Azaleas from other varieties? They are repeat bloomers and they can bloom more than once just in the spring. Here's my autumn carnation blooming in the fall. As all other species, they like acidic soil, and unlike others, they have evergreen leaves, so you can enjoy some greenery in the winter time as well. They like to grow in full sun, at least 4 to 6 hours, and that's how I planted them in my garden. And look who's showing up again, Marcus. I have 3 varieties in my garden I planted about 10 years ago. And initially they didn't show repeat blooming and only also bloomed in the spring. But after they established, now I can enjoy beautiful blooms also in the fall. So I can get best out of azaleas bloom. Azaleas just done blooming and will set up new set of buds for the flower show in the fall. And now it's perfect timing to give them some shade. And today, see how long these shoots became? We're just gonna shape it up and prune a little bit. Let's get to work. I got this beautiful new Felco 2 pruners. My friend Tanya, whom we did projects with together, gave it to me as a present, so I'm very excited to use it today. First, we're gonna sterilize it. I'm just using alcohol, isopropyl alcohol. This is really good. Thank you, Tanya. I'll go all the way down. I'm trimming off all the tall branches, bringing them back to the bush, and all sticking weird branches on the sides as well, and sometimes thinning out a bit. I just want to show you in close-up that even here you see some growth. I'm not worried that I'm leaving out bare sticks. See the new buds already emerging? And in some places, when I still don't see yet new forming buds, I'm sure the cut will stimulate them. Let's take another closer look. I'd like to cut this branch, and it seems like down below leaves it's bare naked, but you see these tiny buds which are coming out? So I actually have no problem to go in and cut it anywhere. It's a big bush. I think I'm gonna stop it here. I remove all long protruding upward branches and give it some shape. So hopefully it's all set for the next flush of blooms in the fall. Wookie came to say hi. Hi, Wookie. On to another one. I planted clematis together with azalea, and it seems like they're really enjoying each other company. Azalea keeps clematis feet in shade. That's what they like. Also, I opened up middle part of the plant which didn't get enough sun, and now it looks kind of empty, but I'm sure it will fill in soon. This is my second Encore Azalea. It's an autumn bonfire. It blooms beautiful red flowers. I planted them beneath this concrete wall so they can cover it. And they're doing a pretty good job. And remember, they're evergreen. Here there was a gap, so I added another plant this couple of weeks ago. So we're gonna go ahead and trim these tall branches as well. Very little pruning, just to give it some shape. And now it's also perfect timing to fertilize them. I'm gonna use acidic fertilizer for azaleas. I'm applying fertilizer along drip line. It's been raining all day, and I'm gonna work it into the soil, and it's gonna rain again. Fertilization and pruning will stimulate repeat blooming. Encore! Hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please like and subscribe. Happy gardening!